what class?
50 Pee-wee, beginner. It's good for me because I'm in first in the points.
You're just killing it. All right, little man. Good luck out there.
Thanks.
All right, cool.
It's really fun out there. It's just slick and just rough.
Yeah? How is it?
Pretty good. Track's rough right now, but it'll be even more rough second moto.
Yeah.
The ruts are really deep. Pretty big. Rollers are kind of rough. It's really cool. It's fun. All the guys that work here are really cool. They're nice. It's just fun.
Good competition?
Oh yeah. There's some fast kids.
What about the competition?
Competition's there, that's for sure.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
How was it?
Good?
Yeah, you kill it?
Yeah. Got second.
Second?
Yep.
What about this moto? What's this race?
This is open.
Yeah? What you got?
Hopefully show these guys up.
Our main focus today for Glen Helen is to support the mothers. So we're doing an early Mother's Day special for all the moto moms, and we're just trying to show our support for them because we know that they work hard and, you know, put in a lot of hours for their sons and daughters for these races. So what we're doing is we're actually giving moms away just free t-shirts all day. We have about 150 of free t-shirts for the moms. So we welcome all mothers and daughters and sons of moms to come pick up shirts to just show their support, because that's what we're here for.
Once gave up my heart to a woman. She promised she was gonna do right, then I gave her my love to another. She said she loved me day and night. Whoa, my soul. She left me all alone and blue. I'm afraid same thing will happen with you. No, not me, baby, not I. Ain't nobody here, nobody's gonna break my mind. Everybody, gotta go for you. I'm afraid you're gonna break it in a thousand pieces.
What's up? Joey Peters here, Glen Helen. Just got done with the moto, track's sick. Got second to this guy over here. Yeah, he got me on the 450, but track's good. It's nice and rough. Nothing like Jersey, so stoked.
What's up, man? Dakota Kessler here, Glen Helen. Doing pretty good. 2 firsts so far. It's a little different out here on the West Coast, but we're used to different dirt. Track's sick. Love the hills.
Right. This is Mickey Kessler's son. What are you? Farmingdale, New Jersey. Kessler 49. Taking the big places. Hangtown next week. We're gonna do it. May 19th. See us there.
Hangtown? Yeah, Hangtown. Trying to qualify.
Joey Peters on the rocker.
Yeah.
Be there too.
250 class.
250. Joey Peters.
Nice.
Got it.
See what happens. Yeah. Hopefully, go for a top 20. Get some points. Yep. Yes, sir.
National number top 50. We got it this year. We're doing it.
No, 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 no.